Hi guys, Chinonso here. Today's video is going to be on this quick and easy everyday makeup look, and I'm starting off by cleaning my face with my trusty Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and a cotton pad.
My veins, I've been driving this train. Yeah.
Next, I hydrate my face with this Gazelle Rose Water and I moisturize with the Omari Code X Brega Hydrate Moisturizer.
Lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Using the Rimmel Stay Matte as my primer for today, I'm going to apply that in the most part of my face except my under eye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notification and select all so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronko, a Lagos Nigerian based hairstylist, makeup artist and fashion enthusiast, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle.
Get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play.
And going into this lip balm, I'm going to moisturize my lips.
The things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never.
For foundation, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade C6, and I'll just apply a bit of that on my face. Okay, we don't want to do too much with the foundation, we just want a nice canvas. Okay, next I'll be spraying with the Omari Coat Skin Mist and I'll be blending that with my Top Glam blending sponge. So because this is an everyday makeup look, okay, we don't need a lot of foundation, right? Honestly, I'm applying this just so that I can get um a nice canvas, okay, a clean base to cover up every um dark spots, discoloration and all. Right, we don't need a lot, we just need enough to get a very clean and clear canvas. Okay,
I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
using the Younger Beauty concealer in the shade SM3, I believe, I'm just going to apply a bit of that only on my under eye. I'm not going to be applying on my forehead, my nose, my chin, no, just on my under eye. I'll blend that out and also spread that onto my eyelid as well, just so that that area is not bare but is what's the word now, it's what's the word, I can't remember the word I'm trying to say, but yeah, I'm just going to use what's left on my beauty blender and tap that on my forehead and my chin as well. Using the Mirac setting powder in the shade Curry, I'm going to use that to set my under eyes, my eyelid. I'm also going to apply that on my forehead, my chin, my nose as well, just so that those areas have a bit of highlights, even though I did not apply concealers that much to those areas. Okay, I'm just going to apply a bit of that setting powder there to still achieve the highlights I would have used a concealer to achieve. I hope that makes sense. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the shade that is next to my skin shade from the Lady V Beauty palette. I think that shade is chestnut, and I'll just use that to set every other place that I did not set with the um setting powder. Okay, now I'm going into a contour shade, and I'm not and and I'm just going to use that to slightly contour my face. Okay, this is an everyday makeup look. Okay, we don't want to do too dark contour. We just want to be able to restore the shadow, okay, that the foundation must have taken off from our face. We just want to add some dimension, bring back the shadow back to our face. Okay, now I'm just going to use the same shade of powder. I think this is ebony, I'm not sure, but I'll check and I'll leave it on the screen. Okay, I'll use that to contour my nose as well. Using the same shade, I'm going to just sweep that across my crease, just so that my eyes are not bare. It helps contour the eyelids, give a bit of dimension to that area as well. And yeah, that's basically everything I'm doing on my eyes. Okay, going into my Mood Beauty palette and pinking. Wow, I'm picking up that pink shade that I just discovered and I've fallen in love and I've not stopped using. Okay, I'm going to use that to slightly add a pop of color to my face. I'll use that as blush, also spread that onto my forehead as well. Okay, and also on the tip of my nose, something really light. Okay, next I'll be glowing up with the TM Essential Cheek Glaze in the shade Unapologetic. I'll be using that to add a bit of glow to my face, and this is going to be my only highlighter for this look. I press that on the highest point of my cheek, my forehead, and my chin. Next, I'm going to be laying my brow hairs, setting it with the Damel eyebrow gel. Okay, and that's fully from Nuban Beauty. So while laying this part of my brow hair, right, I realized that the hair in that area had grown so much, and after I applied the brow gel, it made that area, it wasn't flawless. Okay, it was looking too harsh. The the hair in that area was giving that part of my brows a boxy kind of look that I did not like, and it's really obvious. It's not blending with the rest parts of my brows as it ought to be, and I really did not like how it was looking. It was looking too harsh. It wasn't looking well blended at all. I was trying to figure out how to fix the error there, but then I used the brush I used for my foundation with no extra product on it. I just used that to clean up that top part, and that fixed it for me. Okay, it did take out the excess shade of brow gel that I had in that area, and I think I'm satisfied with how it's looking now.
You snooze half the time while I move passing.
Using my Beauty Line by Didi eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna just give my brows a bit of a tail. Okay, I'm just extending my tail and giving it definition. I honestly did not touch the front part of my brows because there was nothing to do in that area. I wanted the brows to be as natural as possible, so I only just extended the ends of my brows, okay, and gave it a bit more definition. If you have very full brow hairs, you honestly do not have to fill in your brows. Okay, just set it with the brow gel and you should be good to go. Okay, using the Nuban Beauty Sorosuke eyelash mascara, I'm going to go ahead and properly coat every part of my eyelash with the mascara. Okay, for this look, I did not intend to use a false lash. Okay, so I took my time to properly coat my eyelashes with a lot of mascara. Okay, I also did apply the mascara to my bottom lashes as well, just to give them some um volume, okay, and make them more pronounced. Next, I'm using the same Beauty Line by Didi eye pencil, and I'm just using that to line my eyes slightly. I didn't want to use the black pencil because it was going to be too much. I wanted it to be just brown, not black, really soft, and this really got the job done for me. I also use the same pencil for my bottom eyelashes. Is it eyelashes? Yeah. Okay. Next, I did go in with a bit of black, just a bit. I didn't want it to be too much on my bottom. Is it bottom lashes? My bottom waterline. Okay, and I also did some tight line with the same black eye pencil. And then I went back to coat my lashes again. This is the second time I'm coating my lashes. I want them to have a lot of volume. Okay, since I wasn't going to use false lashes, right? Yeah.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Going into my Beacham palette, I'm going to be picking up that brown shade, and I'll use that to line the outer part of my lips. Honestly, you guys, I would normally have gone with a nude lips for this look because it's an everyday look, right? But midway into this look, I realized that I wanted a red lips. How weird of me. Okay, next I'm going to be going into this dark red shade from the same palette. I used that in the middle part of my lips and blended it into the brown before I went into this light red and applied it just in the middle part of my lips and blended it into the first red I applied, and this is what it's looking like. You guys, honestly, at this point I was looking at myself like, do I want this red lips or do I want to change it to my normal nude lips? But yeah, it wasn't looking bad. Okay, it was looking, I don't know, but yeah, I went ahead to set my face with my Omaricold skin mist, the matte one. I use that to set my face properly. And you guys, this is me still deciding if I want to change these lips or still leave it as red. But I left it and I went back to coat my eyelashes for the third and final time, I think, I guess. And at this point, my lashes were looking the way I wanted them to look. Okay, I also did coat my bottom lashes as well. And yeah, you guys, that's basically it too. That's basically it for this look. And yeah, gorgeous. Can somebody help me spell gorgeous? As in gorgeous. That's what this damsel is looking like right now. Okay? Oh, you guys, I love how this red lips turned out. Like it went or it goes or it's going. It goes so well with this natural beats. I really like it. I'm glad I did it. Okay, yeah, that's what we have today. That's what this look is giving. That's what I'm serving you guys today. What am I saying? Oh my god, 1:30 a.m. and a girl is up doing voice note. You guys, I need to sleep. But yeah, this what oh my god, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I hope you guys got something from this. Oh wow, I really cannot talk. Wow. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I hope you learned a thing or two. Until I see you guys in my next video tomorrow, stay fab and stay blessed.